Hi dears, good morning to all. How are you?
I hope all of you are fine. All of you study with your homes? Okay, very good. Now all of you get ready. Get ready with your English text for our English class. All of you take page number 32. We are going to discuss fourth lesson. Plain spotting. Plain spotting. Okay. What do you mean by plain spotting? What do you understand by plain spotting? Okay. Yes. Plane spotting means area or boundary when the plane take off and landing. Okay. Understand? Yeah. Plane spotting is a hobby of tracking the movement. Here the more small description about plane spotting. All of you listen here. Okay. Plane spotting is a hobby of tracking the movement of aircraft, which is often accomplished by photography besides monitoring aircraft. Aircraft spotting, who are usually called plane spotters. We are usually called plane spotters. Also record information regarding airports, air traffic control, communication and airline routes. Here the story says about the development or interest in an observational hobby. Interest in an observational hobby. And also we can recognize the importance of developing social consciousness. Okay. Then and also here we can develop our observational hobby. Okay. Here, look at your textbook. Listen to this passage about different parts of plane. Here, some pictures are given below. Here, different parts of the planes are here. Look at the picture below. Write the names of part highlighted in red in each of pictures. Highlighted in red each of pictures. Okay, here, first one, two like a bulb, red color, highlighted red color, first picture highlighted red color. What is that? Yes, yeah, first one is jet engine. Jet engine. Jet engine. Is that picture like a bulb? Okay, yeah, not a bulb, that is jet engine. Here, second picture. Here, body is highlighted with the red body. What is the name? Yes, body or fuselage. And the third picture, small side, right and left side is a highlighted red. What is the name of that side? Yes, flap. Flaps. All of you observe these pictures in your aeroplane or plane? Okay. Here. Then third one, then fourth one, fifth one, sixth one here also. Three highlighted pictures are given below. Here all of you find out the names. Okay. Here. And before that, I ask one question. What are the other similar hobbies that you know? What are the other hobbies? What are the other similar hobbies? These types of similar hobbies that you know. What do you know? We are watching. We are some hobbies are here. First one, endana? Yes. We are watching. Keen observation of birds watching. Oh, birds watching, cars spotting, train spotting. Other hobbies are here. അല്ലേ നിങ്ങൾക്കില്ലേ എന്താ ഹോബീസൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ എന്താണ് ഒരു പ്ലെയിൻ സ്പോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് നിങ്ങളിങ്ങനെ വാച്ച് ചെയ്ത് നിൽക്കാറുണ്ടോ? Yeah, the other hobbies we are watching bird flying, train spotting and all. Here the story also says about the interest in an observational hobby of Shay is the main character. He is the main character. Shaken is the main character of our story. Shaken is the important character or is the main character in our story. Shaken is the main character in our story. Okay, let's start our story. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Okay, look at the first paragraph. It was 6:45 in the evening. The sun was going down. The lights of Sydney Airport were being switched on. Shaken was sitting in a park next to the airport. She was 13 years old. She loved watching planes and dreamed of getting on one someday. She often rode her bicycle to the road near and the airport and watched the planes take off and land. Sometimes carried a camera with her and took pictures. She knew all the planes, all the airlines and all the flights. I will watch another plane take off and then leave, she told herself. All of you read silently. Okay, I hope all of you complete your reading. Here, it was a 6:45 in the evening. It was a 6:45 in the evening. 6:45 evening. Okay, the sun was going down. The sun was going down. And the lights of Sydney Airport were being switched on. Here, the lights of the Sydney Airport were switched on because the sun was going down. The lights of Sydney Airport were being switched on. Okay, understand? Okay. Shaken was sitting in a park next to the airport. Shaken was sitting to the airport. Shaken was sitting in a park next to the airport. She was 13 years old. How many years old? Only 13 years old. 13 years old. She loved watching planes and dreamed of getting on one someday. Here, she loved watching planes. She loved watching planes. She very much liked to watching planes and dreamed of getting on one someday. She often rode her bicycle to the road near the airport, watched planes take off and land. Here, she often rode her bicycle to the road near. എന്താണ് റോഡിൻ്റെ സൈഡിൽ അവളുടെ സൈക്കിള് നിർത്തിയിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാണ് അവള്? വാച്ച്ഡ് പ്ലെയിൻസ് ടേക്ക് ഓഫ് ആൻഡ് ലാൻഡിങ്. ടേക്ക് ഓഫ് പ്ലെയിൻ ഇറങ്ങുന്നതും പോകുന്നതും വാച്ച് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? She sometimes carried a camera with her and took pictures. Then she carried a camera. She carried a camera with her and also sometimes she took that camera and take some pictures of planes. Understand? She know all the planes, all the airlines, all the flights. She knew all the planes because she was always watching the plane take off and landing because her hobby is watching, observation hobby is watching plane spotting. Plane spotting means taking off and landing. Okay, understand? Here she know all the planes, all the airlines, all the flights. Understand? All of you understand these two small paragraphs? Again we discussed. It was 6:45 p.m. The sun was down. The sun was going down. The Sydney Airport's lights was switching on. Understand? Here, Shekin was sitting in the park near the airport. Then she was only 13 years old. She loved watching planes getting one someday. Here, sometimes she carried camera with her and took some pictures of pictures of planes. And then now she know all the plane, all the flights, all the airlines. Understand? Okay. I will watch another plane take off, then leave, she told herself. I will watch another plane take off, then leave, she told herself. I will watch another plane take off and then leave. Understand? Okay. Page number 33. All of you look at your textbook. All of you remember, Shekin was the main character of our story. He was only 13 years old. Okay. A plane was coming down the runway. It was a flight to Bangkok. The plane took off with a roar. Suddenly, she saw something fall from the plane. It landed near some trees and bushes. "What's that?" she cried. "Is that a part of the plane?" She ran to the spot, but she had to stop. When she came to high fence, there was a signboard on it which said "Airport, keep out." She looked through the fence and into the bushes. It was quite dark, and she could not see things very clearly. She noticed something on the ground. So she pulled out her camera from her bag and took a picture of it to the fence. All of you read silently. Okay. A plane was coming down the runway. What is meaning of runway? A strip of hard ground along which aeroplanes take off and land. The plane was coming down runway. It was the flight to Bangkok. എങ്ങോട്ടുള്ള ഫ്ലൈറ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു? It was the flight to Bangkok. A plane took off the roar. The plane took off with a roar, with a sound. Suddenly, she saw something fall from the plane. അവൾ എന്താണ് കണ്ടത്? Suddenly, she saw something fall from the plane. പ്ലെയിനിൽ എന്തോ താഴേക്ക് വീഴുന്നതായ അവൾ കാണാണ്. Landed near some trees and bushes. എവിടെയാണ് ലാൻഡ് ചെയ്തത്? Landed near some trees and bushes. What's that? She cried. What's that? അത് എന്താണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ അവൾ ഉറക്കെ കരയാണ്. It's that a part of a plane. It's that part of a plane. She ran to the spot, but she had to stop. She ran to the spot. Yeah, she ran to the spot, but she had to stop. When she came to a high fence, when she came to the high fence, അതിനുള്ളിലേക്ക് പ്രവേശിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അവിടെ എന്താണ് കെട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത്? ഒരു വലിയ കമ്പി കൊണ്ടൊരു ഫെൻസ് നിർമ്മിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഫെൻസ് മീൻസ് വേലി. There was a signboard on it which said "Airport, keep out." There was a signboard or there was a notice board. What is the notice board written? On it which said "Airport, keep out." Is a airport, keep out. അതിനുള്ളിലേക്ക് ആർക്കും പ്രവേശിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Is airport, keep out. She looked through the fence and into the bushes. It was quite dark and she could not see the thing very clearly. She noticed something on the ground. So she pulled out her camera, her bag and took a picture of through the fence. She looked through the fence and the bushes. She keenly looked through the fence and the bushes. It was quite dark. It was full of dark because it was it's a night. That's why it was quite dark. And she could not see things very clearly. She couldn't see anything clearly because it was full of darkness. Understand? She noticed something on the ground. Then she noticed he noticed something on the ground. Because she want to find out that thing, because she saw something fall from the plane. Then that's why she was crying. What thing that it is? What thing that it is? And they want to find out what thing fall down. Then he was come to the fence and she cleanly look at the bushes and fence, but it was full of darkness. She pulled out her camera from her bag and took a picture of through the fence. Then she pulled out her camera. Then she pulled out her camera from her bag, took a picture through the fence. Through the fence. Understand? If you understand clearly? Okay, very good. Then, as soon as she did so, she heard a shout. Hey, what are you doing here? Then, as soon as she did so, she heard a shout. Then she heard a shout. Hey, what are you doing here? Hey, man, hey, child, what are you doing here? The god asked. A god came out from the behind the trees, walked up the fence. A god come up from the behind the trees and walked up to the fence. Then asked, hey, what are you doing here? She pointed through the fence. She pointed through the fence. There is something in the. She pointed through the fence. There is something in the. പറഞ്ഞവിടെ നിർത്തുകയാണ്. Yes, there is an airport in there. Yes, there is an airport in there. The god answered, yes, there is an airport in there. Interrupted the god. What is the meaning? Interrupted. Stop. While she was middle of saying something. അവൾ എന്തോ പറഞ്ഞു തുടങ്ങിയിരുന്നു. അപ്പം എന്താണ് അതിനെ തടസ്സപ്പെടുത്തിയ ആര്? Who? The god. They interrupted the god. And it's not a place for children to play. Then God say, it's not playing. It is not a place for children to play. Please go away. Then the god said, please go away from this place. I'm not playing. She tried to explain something. But the god paid no heed. He simply waved his hand, asking Shay to leave. Shay slowly got on her bicycle and rode home. What was that thing on the ground? Was it a part of the plane? I should do something, but what can I do? She kept thinking. It was almost 7:30 when she reached home. She ran to her room and studied the photographs she had taken. It was a grey piece of metal. All of you read silently. Okay, Here the god said, it's not place for children to play. Please go away. I'm not playing. The shaken replied, I'm not playing, sir. She tried to explain something. എന്തോ അവൾ ഗാഡിനോട് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി ശ്രമിച്ചു. But didn't say nothing. Didn't allow to say nothing. But the god paid no heed. What is the meaning of paid no heed? Did not listen to shaken words. Did not listen to shaken, but the god did not listen the shaken words. He simply waved his hand asking, Shay to leave, Shay to leave. He simply always say, please go away from this place. She slowly got on her bicycle and rode home. Then she slowly got on her bicycle and rode home. അവളുടെ സൈക്കിളും കൊണ്ട് അവൾ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് മടങ്ങാണ്. What was that thing on the ground? Then again he think. What was that thing on the ground? എന്തായിരിക്കും ആ നിലത്ത് വീണതെന്ന് ചിന്തിക്കുകയാണ്. Was it a part of the plane? Is it the part of the plane? I should do something. I should do something. But what I can do? എന്താണ് എനിക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുക? What I can do? She kept thinking. She kept thinking. It was almost 7:30. Here the story was beginning 6:45 p.m. Here now time is 7:30. When she reached home, she ran to her room. Then, when she reached home, she ran to her room. She ran to her room and studied to the photograph she had taken. Then she take your photograph and studied what thing that it is. She studied keenly. She had taken, it was a grey piece of metal. Then she got the answer. What is the thing? It was grey piece of metal. It's a grey piece of metal. Okay, understand? All of you understand this part? Okay, all of you understand this small part? Okay, very good. Here, I ask some questions from this part. Here, where does she live and how old is she? Where does she live? Where does she live? Yes. What is the answer? She lives Sydney, near the Sydney airport. How old is she? Yes, Shaken was only 13 years old. All of you got the answers? Okay. And then the second one, what did the guard tell Shay? എന്താണ് guard ഷേനോട് പറഞ്ഞത്? The guard told she to go away from this place, to go away as the airport was not a place for play for children, not place for children to play. Why did he not listen to her? Why did he not listen to her? Yes, yeah, he did not listen to she. She was only a child. That's why not listen her words. If you understand? Shaken is the main character in our story. She was only 13 years old. Yeah, only 13 years old. What did the God tell she? The God told she to go away from this place, away from our airport, and was not a place for children to play. He did, and then why did not listen to her? Listen to her. He did not listen to Shaken because she was only a child. That's why he didn't listen her words. Okay, if you understand? Okay. Again I ask, what is the title of our story? Yes, playing sporting. Okay, then all of you look at here. All of you look at here very well. Okay, here I write some points from the story. These are events from the story. All of you note down. It's very easy to study. Shaken is watching plane. Then watches a plane taking off knows it's a flight to Bangkok. Then sees something fall off from the plane. Next event. a pictures falling metal, a security guard sees her and chases her away. This is the event of our story. First one, here Shaken is the main character. She was only 13-year old. Here her hobby is watching the plane spotting. That means taking off and landing. Here, then next event, Shaken is watching planes. Then next event, watches a planes taking off. Knows it is a flight to Bangkok. Then next event, sees something fall off from the plane. Then next event, pulls out her camera. Then clicks a picture of the fallen metal. Okay. Then a security guard sees her and chases her away. These are events of our story from this part. All of you understand clearly? Okay. All of you write down these word meanings in your notebook and all of you read 5 times this story very well. Okay. I hope all of you understand. Let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.